how to accept payments on Wix for free. So if you want to accept payments on Wix for free, when you're on the editor, we simply want to add a payment option which people can use to donate to you, right? Or simply pay you directly. What we have to do is we just have to add a donate button that links to a PayPal website or wherever else it is. So you can actually just choose to tap on this add section button where people can just add a PayPal button and they can choose to buy that certain product with PayPal, right? So we can just click on the add elements option right here, and we will simply go to this search bar. We will just search for PayPal and we will add this PayPal button right here. So once we've done that, we will simply click on add elements right here and just click on that particular PayPal button to add it. So what this will do is when people want to buy something from your website, they will be able to go ahead and then basically add them right over here by adding them to the site section right like this, right? And they will be able to go ahead and then basically add them inside this particular section where they'll be able to donate to you. Now, otherwise, if it is a donation link, you can just normally add a button which you can use and people will be able to donate to you on an external website instead of within the website. But you can just add a PayPal or a BMC or GoFundMe inside it. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you in the next video.